Come for the middle class now itself. I'll send the message. Yes, yes. Hello? Somebody asked me.
Ma'am, is it for whole class or like particular number of roll numbers?
1 to 15, not for all class. Hello? We'll start now. I send the messages now. Roll number 1 to 15 join at 5:30, others at 6 o'clock. Okay, children, one question is there. Okay. We'll write that question now. Two circles of radii. Two circles of radii. Two circles of radii. 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Intersect at 2 points. 2 points. And the distance between distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the common chord. Find the length of the common chord. Find the length of the common chord. Okay. So children, this is a question and there are 2 circles. I'll draw the circles. One circle is like this. There are 2 circles. Okay. Hello. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there are 2 circles. One circle is radius 5 centimeter. Let me draw that radius like this. Let 5 centimeter. And C1 and C2 are the centers. And another circle is a small circle like this. Okay, children, small circle. Small circle. And its radius is, 1 minute, 3 centimeter. When you draw, it should be 1 minute. Let me draw it properly. It should be proper. Otherwise, we won't get the answer properly. Listen, children. One circle and one small circle. Okay. Hello, children. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this circle's radius you have to draw like this. This radius is 3 centimeter radius. Circle inside the big circle, the small circle center should come like that. Okay, inside the big circle, the small circle center should come. That is the main thing. So without compass, we cannot draw this properly. So this is 3 centimeter. And this is big circle's center C1 and this is C2. And the radius of this is 5 centimeter. Okay, this much is given. So what happens is, in that center of the small circle should come inside that big circle. Then only we can prove it properly. So when you draw it like that. Okay, children? And the distance between the centers C1 and C2 is 4 centimeter. Okay. See, children, what do you mean by a common code? I'll draw it here. See, children, one circle and another circle. This is a code for both the circles, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is known as common code. Common code. Once more, I'll draw. One circle and another circle, and in between one code is there. No, that code is common to both the circles. So it is known as common code. So here we have to find the length of the common code. Clear, children? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So P and Q. PQ is the common code. PQ is the common code. We have to find the length of it. Draw the figure and I will explain it. Okay, children, now listen. Listen here. This PQ is the common code, children. Hello? Hello, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. PQ is the common code, PQ. Can you tell the answer of this? You can find the answer very easily. What is the length of PQ? Tell the answer, children.
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. Correct it is. The common code is 6 centimeter. But provided that, why we took like that? Because we have a property that the perpendicular bisector from the center bisect the chord. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. But you don't know whether it is perpendicular. then only you will get the answer as 6 centimeter. If it is perpendicular, how will you make sure that this is a perpendicular line? This C1, C2 is a perpendicular line. How can you make sure that it is a perpendicular line? See children, see the measurement here, 5, 4 and 3. Okay, look at that triangle PC1, C2. Look at that triangle PC1, C2. What type of triangle it is? Hello children, what type of triangle it is? Look at that measurement.
Right triangle.
Right triangle. How did you understand? Because it is 5 square equal to 4 square plus 3 square, right? Clear
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
So 16 plus 9 equal to 25. When you see the measurement, you will understand that this is a right angle triangle. Okay. So triangle PC1, C2 is a right angle triangle, right triangle. Now only we can use that theorem. Right triangle. Therefore, using the theorem, perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Using the theorem, perpendicular, you can write now. From the center bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. Therefore, common chord equal to PQ equal to, then only we can write 2 into 3 equal to 6 centimeter. Otherwise, we cannot write. If it is not a perpendicular, we cannot write it as a, it's double of the chord. Finish children? If it is a right triangle only, we can write like this. Otherwise, it will not bisect the chord.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Yes. Finish children?
And can you show the last one?
Ma'am, today remedial class have.
Oh,
Today remedial class have.
yes, at 5:30.
Ma'am, which group?
1 to 15, all batches 1 to 15 you come first. First batch, roll number 1 to 15. Second batch at 6 o'clock. Okay, shall I give the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. I don't know whether I'll get the time anyway. I'll start the question. It's a long question. Okay. The question is, if two equal chords of a circle, if two equal chords of a circle, two equal chords of a circle, two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to corresponding segments of the other chord. Corresponding segments of the other chord. Okay, children, there are some given things. When you write the proof, some given things you have to write. After that, I'll draw the figure. Okay, write that also. Given, what all things given? A circle with a center O. Circle with, we are describing the circle. Figure we are describing, okay. So this is important. We have to, after this, I'll draw the circle. So which figure is that? That figure we are describing now. A circle with the center O. A circle with the center O. Center O. It's two equal chords. It's two equal chords. Two equal chords. AB and CD. AB and CD intersect at E. Intersect at E. To prove AE equal to DE. AE equal to DE. Equal to DE. And CE equal to BE. This also, right? Construction. 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 Draw. Draw. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. OM perpendicular to AB. OM perpendicular to AB. ON perpendicular to CD. ON perpendicular to CD. These steps are necessary. You have to study this because we are describing the circle figure. And now our proof starts. Actually, it is the proof. So these are the steps for writing. Now, how to prove this, that we are going to learn now. Now, let me draw the figure. Are you listening, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't go anywhere in between, okay? So there is a circle. There is a circle. Oh, 1 minute, children. There are two chords intersecting like this. That is the main thing here. There are two chords, equal chords, AB. AB and CD are two equal chords intersecting at E. At E. O is the center. And we are drawing two perpendiculars. We are drawing two perpendiculars. M and at M and N. This much is there. Okay. I'll scroll this. Okay, children. So, Shravana, join at 3 o'clock. Join at 3 o'clock. Shravana, join at 3 o'clock. This is 9C class. Okay. So, children, listen here. Hello. Hello. Are you listening, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let me describe this figure again. AB and CD are two equal chords. You understood? AB and CD.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
we have to prove that this AE, AE
Yes, ma'am.
equal to DE. We have to prove that AE equal to DE. Same CE equal to BE. These segments are equal. We have to prove. Okay, children? Now, these equal chords intersect at E. And we have drawn perpendiculars like this. Perpendiculars. That is our construction. We have drawn perpendiculars. Clear, children? Now, if I join this if I join this, can you see two triangles here?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Then the proof will be easy. Clear, children? Shall I write the proof now? Let me write it. Otherwise, I won't get the time and I will explain. Explanation is very easy. Okay, children, very less explanation. So, in triangle, we can see two triangles there. In triangle, name of the triangles are triangle OME, isn't it? Triangle OME and triangle ONE. Can you see, children? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we have to prove that these triangles are congruent. So, children, OM equal to ON because it is given that equal chords are equidistant. Equal chords are equidistant. We have studied this, right? Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Children, this theorem we have
Yes, ma'am.
studied, right? So AB and CD are equal chords. AB and CD are equal chords. So the distance OM and ON are equal. I'll draw it in another color. This OM and ON are equal because equal chords are same distance from the center. Okay. Now an angle is there. That angle's name is angle OME equal to angle ONE because it is 90 degree perpendicular 90 degree. Now OE equal to OE, it is a common. OE equal to OE, a common side. Common side, one side and one angle. Common side. Therefore, triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE by RHS congruence rule. By RHS. Right up to this much. Now children, ME equal to NE. ME equal to NE by CPCT. ME equal to NE by CPCT. One small part is equal. Finish children, shall I explain now? See children, we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Triangles are congruent. So ME equal to NE, that we have proved. Clear children? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And you know that the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Isn't it? Perpendicular
Yes,
from
ma'am.
the center bisect the chord. So and AB and CD are equal, you know. AB and CD are equal. That also you know.
Yes, ma'am.
So AB equal to CD, correct? AB and CD are
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
because it is given. It is given. So let us take the half of it. Half of AB, that also will be equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Half of CD. Clear children?
Yes.
So shall I take this AM and AM? Listen here children, it's a little bit difficult. See children? See? This AM, I'll one color. mm, green, blue, red. Okay, AM, AM and DN. These two are equal. Why, children? Why? Why?
Radius.
Not radius. AB and CD are equal chords, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So perpendicular from the center bisect the chord, right? This is the
Yes, ma'am.
perpendicular. This is also a perpendicular.
Yes, ma'am.
So it bisect the chord, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So AM and DN are same, right?
Yes.
AM and DN are same because it is the half part. Half part. Isn't it, children?
Yes.
So let me write AM and DN are equal. Okay, children? AM and DN are equal. AM equal to DN. Because perpendicular bisect the chord. Write the reason also, bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. Perpendicular bisect the chord. So children, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Shall we add left side, children? ME plus AM. ME plus AM. Left side we will add now. And NE plus DN. Equation number 1 plus 2. We are adding equation number 1 and 2. Left side when you add. Left side when you add, you will get AE equal to DE. Hello? Are
I'm
you
getting to the
listening?
board.
Yes. 1 minute. Let me scroll this. Okay, children. See? See, children, AM plus ME. What is that AM and ME when we add? We'll get the total AE, right?
Yes,
AM
ma'am.
plus ME is AE. Same DN plus NE is DE. So one part we proved. Listen here, study well. Today itself you write and study this, otherwise you will forget it. So AE equal to DE. Again, last part. AB minus AE equal to, when you subtract this, CD minus DE, you will get the small part also. BE equal to CE. I will explain it tomorrow also if you want. So children, write it
Yes.
fast. I have one class test today at 6 for 6th standard. They are joining. Okay, children, shall I wind up now? I will explain it next day.
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain it once more. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Shall I wind up now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
They have joined. Small children, they have one class test. That's why they joined correct time. Okay, children? So,
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
let
ma'am.
me wind up. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children. I'll explain it tomorrow also.